Imagine a country like Australia, a major US ally in the Pacific, suddenly deciding to buy warships, not from America, but from Japan. Yes, you heard that right. Australia has made a strategic shift by purchasing Mogami-Class frigates from Japan, a move that is raising eyebrows across the Indo-Pacific. So in this video, let's break down why this deal matters, what it means for Asia's security balance, and how it signals a new military partnership that could challenge China's influence. Over the past few years, tensions in the Indo-Pacific region have been rising. China is rapidly expanding its navy, building destroyers and aircraft carriers at an unprecedented pace. Australia, being geographically close to this tension zone, has been under pressure to strengthen its maritime defences. Now, traditionally, Australia buys most of its high-end military equipment from Western suppliers like the United States or Europe. But this time, something unusual has happened. Australia has chosen to work with Japan, marking one of Tokyo's biggest defense exports since World War II. So what exactly are these ships, and why are they such a big deal? The Mogami-Class frigates are stealthy, high-tech naval ships built by Japan. They are designed to be fast, automated, and capable of performing multiple missions, from anti-submarine warfare to missile defense. These are not ordinary patrol ships. These are frontline combat frigates, meant to operate in contested waters where enemy submarines, drones, and missiles are active. Many people in the defense world are calling this a historic moment, because Japan, due to its post-WW2 constitution, has long maintained a strictly defensive military export policy. Selling advanced warships to another country shows that Japan is stepping out with confidence as a major defense exporter. For Australia, this purchase is not just about buying a ship. It's about building a long-term military partnership with Japan. Both nations are part of the Quad Alliance alongside the US and India, but this deal shows a new level of trust between Canberra and Tokyo. This deal also sends a very clear geopolitical signal. For the first time, Japan and Australia are synchronizing their naval capabilities. Imagine in the future, Japanese and Australian ships, built from the same platform, using compatible systems, operating side by side in the South China Sea or near Taiwan. This kind of interoperability is what military planners call a force multiplier. It allows joint operations, faster deployment, and a united front against maritime aggression. And yes, China is watching this very closely. What's even more interesting is that this isn't just a buy-and-take deal. Australia and Japan have agreed to work on technology sharing, joint maintenance, and possibly even co-production. That means Australia will not just buy the frigates, it will learn how to build and sustain them, adding to its own industrial defense capability. This kind of cooperation reduces dependency on Western suppliers like the US, giving Australia more freedom of action. Slowly, what we are seeing is the formation of a new Asian defense network, where countries like Japan, Australia, India, and even South Korea begin to support each other militarily, rather than looking only to the US. So, to summarize, Australia buying Mogami-Class frigates from Japan is more than a defense purchase. It's a strategic alliance in motion. It boosts naval strength in the Indo-Pacific against rising threats. It helps Japan rise as a major defense exporter for the first time in modern history. And most importantly, it lays the foundation for an Asian-led security network, reducing reliance on Western powers. In short, this deal is like a signal flare, announcing a new era of military cooperation in Asia, and it will definitely reshape naval dynamics in the years to come.